Hey, if you want to solve a problem with this black and white screen, you just need to open Settings, then go in the Accessibility tab, here select Vision Enhancements, and after that make sure that the color adjustments are turned off. As you can see, in my case, it is enabled, and if we just scroll a bit more, we can see that it is enabled as a grayscale mode, which is for turning the screen black and white. So let's disable it. And now you can see that nothing changes, and that is because I enable bedtime mode. So in the bedtime mode sometimes enables grayscale mode as well, and let's check this feature. For that, I'm just gonna go in the parental controls. Here select the bedtime mode, and in the other actions you can see that when this mode is enabled, the grayscale enables as well. So as a first step, we can just disable it by tapping on the switcher, and screen just get back to normal. And if you want to grayscale do not turn on when this mode is enabled, you just go in the other actions and disable grayscale. Now let's turn it on right now and check whether it will enable black and white screen or not. And no black and white screen. So that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.